Direct from Yellowstone National Park in Canada, it's Handzee, cooking up some souped up French onion soup. You gotta check this out. Actually, I haven't seen it before. This is the first time I'm looking at it. Oh yeah, well, he's got the charcoal starter going. Here he is slicing up some onion. Ooh, he's got some carrot there. Oh yeah, some big bulbs of garlic. He's got him, oh man, roasted garlic, man. There's nothing better on the grill, right? I think he's loading it up with some seasoning. Also the onions and the carrots. It's hitting it hard. What I know, it's gonna be good. And he's, oh yeah, he's using Pit Boys pork privilege. You all know about that now, right? All right, placing the garlic bulbs with the pork privilege opposite the hot coals. He's gonna bake them. And I see here he's got some butter. Oh, yeah. Pork and butter, great combination. Now, he's gonna saute up the onions. Got the carrots going in. Now you could head on over to our website and get all those ingredients, right? Now, oh yeah, bacon. Pork belly bacon, home cured by Handzee. Some Sweet Martha's pork belly bacon. Whoa, look at that. You kidding me? Now, of course, use your 10-inch butcher to stir it a bit. Oh man, it's gonna be good. All right, in a miracle of time, we've gone ahead a little bit. Look at that. The onions, the carrots, the seasoning is cooked down. Again, use your 10-inch butcher. Stir it up good. Oh man, can you smell that? With that pork belly bacon there, you gotta be kidding me. The garlic, you can get the garlic now. I'm telling you. Oh, geez. Now, this is good living. And you can bet the neighbors are smelling this, right? Out in the snow. Whoa. In goes, looks like some smoked pork hock. Yeah. We're talking pea soup here. Telling you what, some beef broth with some lentils. This will keep the Vegematics happy. Ooh, some bay leaf, some scallions. It's all going in. Man, we're talking some pea soup here, right? Whoa. Put the cover on, let it cook, and whoa! Fast forward. Oh, take a look at that. Lord have mercy. I don't have to say anymore. Look at that. Simmering with that smoked pork hock in there. You've been there, right? What the heck is Handzee doing here? A little pat of butter. Well, of course. Oh man, it smells so good. And I'm here. Man, if you've never done your own pork belly bacon before, you gotta do it. You just gotta do it. Oh man, pull them off the grill. Perfect. Oh man, you could stare and look at this all day, right? Whoa. All right, I guess we're gonna let the butter melt on top. Oh, chopped up the pork belly bacon, dropping it in the soup. And he's got some frozen peas. This is the time to put the frozen peas in. This is so they don't overcook, right? Perfect time. Oh yeah, there are the lentils. I knew there was lentils going in there. Yeah. It's a little bit different, right, with the lentils. All kinds of energy. Couple handfuls of scallion. Are you kidding? Ooh, he's gonna bring it up to simmer. Oh yeah. How about that, huh? This is old school. This is the way your great-great-grandma would have done it. Now it's out of a can, right? Now, take the time and do it yourself, man. Ooh, in goes that garlic. Oh, that's going to set it up perfect. Are you kidding? We got some chicken thighs on the side. I see here, it's noted. It's got some poultry powder on it. Oh, look at that. All right, this is what it's about, right? A cold one, no matter how cold it is, at Handzee's Pit. Well, check this out. It's got them served up, the individual bowls. It's got some toast. Place. Man, this is a 4-star, right? 4-star restaurant. This is it. This is Handzee's Pit. BBQ Pit Boys for life. Whoa, some boots. Some slices of mozzarella. Are you kidding? What? Back on the grill. Oh. You gotta be kidding. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Oh, look at that mozzarella digging down inside. Oh, man. Now, of course, this is the part where the pitmaster is going to apologize for eating in front of you, but I don't think Handzee is minding one bit. So to get the recipe, head on over to our website. And of course, we really appreciate your support. Oh, thumbs up. And while you're there, join a chapter. We've got 18,000 in over 100 countries. We'd be proud to have you. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. It's good.